Hi viewers, this is Zari here. Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about winter's clothing in the video. So let's get started. The first one is ankle socks. Beanie, it's a kind of cap, boots, cardigan, gloves, down pants, fur linen coat, fox fur coat, fleece jacket, shawl, sweater, scarf, mittens, kind of gloves. इसमें थंब सेपरेट होता है और 4 फिंगर्स जो हैं वो टुगेदर होती हैं. लॉन्ग बूट्स, थिक सॉक्स, हुडी, earmuffs. बेसिकली earmuffs ears को कवर रखते हैं. And the last one is long coat. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.